Hi, welcome to a Fusion 360 video tutorial. I want to do that groundplate drawing in Fusion. So we've got the usual stuff, hidden lines visible, an aligned section, cut or view. We've got a baseline dimension, we got fits, we got fake dimensions, an isometric view, and we got surface finishing. So let's have fun with Fusion 360. Okay, let's insert a new sheet, and I need of course a base view. That would be the top view, yes. Scale should be maybe 1 to 2, yes. And let's see, we've got visible edges, I need hidden edges. And let's place it here. And okay. Now let's hide all those we don't want to see. I just switched them off. Okay, I need a projected view, so I go to projected view. That would be the parent view, and let's move this to this side. And okay. This one should be, of course, without hidden lines. So just double click and make it only visible edges and close. Now for the section view, you have to take care that you align it properly. I want to do it here. Let's go here, click, move a little bit, let's zoom in over here, then go straight up, click, go over here, click, go straight down, because if you're not straight down it will not work properly, like this. And now go for continue, and I want to move it above, and yes, that's okay, so just confirm. Before I begin dimensioning, I will insert those center marks. So there should be one here, 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 there, here, there, over here, and of course one here. Now begin dimensioning. I want to go from this one to that one. That would be my start dimension for my baselines. So go to baseline dimension, select the baseline, and select the other circles like this, and right click OK. Now I can move this up like that, for example. Some more dimensions. This one. Let's try circle, circle. Not possible. You can go, yeah. So I have to select the center marks like that, then it will work. Another one here, and for that dimension I could not make it vertical or horizontal aligned. I have to live with this one. Another one here, up there, this one, this should be diameter. I will add this afterwards. This should be 20, and this is 20, and that one is 25. Okay, now move this up a little bit. Okay, move that one. Move this a little bit down. Move this over here. Maybe like that. Now I have to change. This one should have a diameter, so double click it and give it a symbol, but before the 180 that would be this symbol. Close. And maybe I should move this up. Maybe like this. Then I got a little bit more space to make this more readable. So this one should be here, and I want to add a text that would be H11. So for tolerance, limit deviation symmetrical none, we'll go for none and we'll add H11. Just type it in, close. And if you want to have a space, just make a space in between. Okay. Then we got here one. There's another one, and the last one would be here. I will move it up. Now let's edit those. Move it here, double click and add a space and H7. This should be M10. Just delete and write M10. And this should be M12. And I could move this maybe to this side and move this up, maybe like that. I need some more center lines. That, and the surface finishing. Let's give it a little bit more space by dragging this down, and that one as well. No, don't select it here, select it, click here. No, sorry. Move. So that's the correct one, and now you can drag it with that square a little bit down. So for that surface finishing symbol, go here, select the object, that would be this one, drag it over here and go to this side and enter. Now it should be this symbol, and we need a value, not 22 but 1.6 machining allowance. Okay, the other two I cannot do because you always need an object where you could attach that surface texture. And I'm not able to do some fake objects here and to add those symbols. Finally, I have to add another view, an isometric view, so go for another base view. Go for isometric. Let's see. No. And scale should be 1 to 2. And it's not southwest, but it's northeast isometric. Yes. Put it right there. Confirm. And now, as before, hide those, but hide will not work, so you have to switch it off like this, same way I did it before. And I've just got my brown ground plate left. Okay, and I'm done. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook cat fan page. Would be very nice of you. I want to get more likes and subscriptions over there as well. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.